So we have this interesting question of exponents with us today. So let's see how we can solve this. Out of these two terms, we can take 2 raised to power 2012 common, correct? And we will be left with 2 raised to power 2 plus 1. Similarly, in the denominator, we can again take 2 raised to power 2012 common, and we will be left with 2 raised to power 2 minus 1. Now, how we have taken this common? We are using one exponent rule which says a raised to power m times a raised to power n gives us a raised to power m plus n. Here, if we multiply 2 raised to power 2012 with 2 raised to power 2, we will get 2014. If we multiply 2 raised to power 2012 with 1, we will get 2 raised to power 2012. So we are basically using this exponent rule, correct? Now, after this, things are quite easy. We can clearly see that 2 raised to power 2012 will cancel out, and we will be left with this. This will be 4, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, plus 1, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, and minus 1. That means our final answer will be 5 upon 3. This will be our final answer. Though the question looks very difficult, but it is quite easy, right?